Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the cost of the truck is $176,000 if its value depreciates at the rate of 19% per annum. Then, what is the total depreciation after 1 year? Here we have given cost of the truck, $176,000, and rate of depreciation is 19% per annum. So rate is 19%, or we can write here rate of depreciation is 19% per annum. So, value of the vehicle after 1 year is given by cost, that is 176,000 into 1 minus rate, that is 19% divided by 100 to the power n, that is here time is 1 year. So 176,000 into 81 divided by 100. After calculating this, we get $142,560. So total depreciation is given by the amount, which is 176,000 minus 142,560. So which is 33,440. Hence, total depreciation after 1 year be $33,440. So from available options, we have option C, which is $33,440.